So this is our rather unicorn Howard 2000. According to serial numbers, it's one after the last of the 1971s, and it's not a serial number that's in 1972. So therefore she's a bit of a unicorn. She's half the first series and half the second series. Actually has a 13 horsepower engine instead of the standard 10 horsepower, and we're currently getting her just tidied up. So she's been pulled apart to be cleaned up. We've got some parts powder coated, and it's going to get reassembled. But she's in fine work. She was in fine working order. Has a rotary hoe on the back, and I'll do another video once she's all done. But here is she in her cleaned up state. Had a whole lot of dirt caked on. It'd been used as a we had a family nursery, so it has a very narrow rotary hoe. So that's been, the rear tailgate's been straightened up. And so that's our Howard 2000. Dad bought brand new in about 1972.